Hello my planner pals and welcome back, and if you're new here then thank you for joining me and giving me a try. My name is Di, I am here at Creative Comma Design, and today I am going to do a video that I talked about in my planner haul, like budget catch-up video, where I got some out-of-date planners. These were 30 cents and what's not to love about that? But I bought this for the cover, the discs, because these are metal discs. And the covers and the dividers are beautiful, but I don't like the stuff down the spine because then I'm limited as to what I can decorate my planner spread is, because it has this down the spine. And I talked about making these into daily pages, and quite a few of you were like, yes, please show me how to do that. So I've grabbed a couple. So these were from my 30-cent planner. I've grabbed a couple. We've got 4 here. Now here's the thing, for daily pages, I don't use the whole page. I don't use the whole page. Partly because, 1, I'm using stickers and I don't want to waste my stickers, but 2, I don't need that much space on a daily page. I just don't. So here's what I do. Here's what I do. And again, you've got, this is a dashboard. So you've got the days of the week on this page as it is, and then the double box and then this bit at the bottom on this page. So I'm going to show you with the dashboard. For the vertical, I'll do it on a different video at some point, but this is what I do. Enough waffling, let's go. So the first thing that I'm going to do is get out my paper trimmer, because I'm going to cut, this is the first way that I'll show you, I'm going to cut down the middle. Now I like to just literally do a little fold so that I know where I'm cutting. Now I have 2 skinny pages to do, and then this one clearly doesn't have the stuff down the side, so that's great. And then I'll do the same with these, but now all I have to do is take this there and cut. Now if you don't have a hole punch, then you could just use the pages as they are. I have the Happy Planner punch. I've got options here. I'll show you both ways. So the way that I prefer to do it is this way, because then I've already got the dots here. I've already got the dots here. Can you see that? I've already got the dots on that left-hand side page. Whereas this, I could still use it. I just prefer to use the other side. Just makes more sense. So I've got these that I can use a couple of ways. So these, I've got the stuff. I could use these a couple of ways. I can use it like this. That is the right hand side page, but I can open that out, right? And all I have to do is turn that over. Is just turn that over, and now I've got another page. And if you don't like this, it's quite simple. All you have to do is that, get some, coordinating washi, and now that just looks like part of the design. That's all I can do. That's all I have to do for that. But I like to use this side. That's just me. So I will literally wipe those out. So I could just use this side if I wanted to. I could use both sides. So that's what you could do with those sides. And then all you have to do is get your regular planner stickers. And I have like a little book box file of leftover crap that doesn't fit anywhere. Or I have little bits of washi and stuff in here, and stickers and stuff. So I have like a leftovers pile that I will literally just use this for that. That is what its job is. So that is what I will do for that. And it could just be that is my daily page. And we'll put some black in there as well, because I feel like I need some black along the top. And then I have a daily page. Is it the nicest looking thing? No, but I don't care. All I need is something to keep me on track for my daily page. So that is how you decorate that side. Again, just put a couple of boxes in. That's all you need. And then I could, let me find a pen that matches. And then all I have to do is come in and add in some little check boxes. or whatever it is that I have going on, right? I'm usually not the kind of person that likes to put that many checkboxes in, but there we are. And then all I would do for this is this would be my top priority. Let's pretend that that actually fits in there. Top priority would go in here. And then if I was using this, I've literally got an open page that I can do anything on. And I could find a sticker to match or something. Again, this was the washi tape shop, but yeah, just find some kind of sticker to match that is in my little drawer of goodies that is left over from other stuff. Again, I'm just going to add a little box on the top. So again, if you've got a bunch of little stickers left over, this is a great use for them. Just put them on your daily pages and stuff like that. So again, that is this side. That is those sides. That's the days of the week, and that is the part of the to-do strip things. So that's 2. So I've punched these on the left-hand side. So this would be the left-hand side. I've just added punches to it. That makes sense. It's already got the little boxes, the little headers. So you could just use those headers as is, or just put yourself, let's use those, another little box on there. Boom. And then we'll just use another sticker from there. So all I'm doing is using old stickers from my stash. So then I've got one that's done there, right? That's done. I don't need anything else other than that. And I can just wipe that bit out. So that's how you decorate those bits. And then this, all I have to do is just flip it. Flip it, and I've got the same thing kind of here. All I have to do is white out. I mean, you don't have to either. You don't have to put your boxes in. If you just want to save your boxes, all you need is a pen. I'm doing this very quickly. You would clearly take more time than this. This pen is not actually black. It's a very dark green. That's fine. And then I've got a sheet there that's very jankily decorated. I don't like that because I don't like using pen. But that is how you decorate your daily sheets. That is how you make your dashboard into daily sheets. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, because that's how I would use them, 6, and 7. And I quickly do these, and this is how I would do them if I was doing them. I would do them all together. I'd literally do them all together. I don't tend to just do one. I do them all together. I probably do like a week or so, or if I have extra stickers, I will use them all together on it. Now, because this side has the stuff on the side, I'm going to have to put stuff in that makes sense for that. This is literally just stuff that I have off to the side. Again, my washi tape mostly is off to the side. And this is literally how long it would take me. I would not spend forever like I do with my regular planner spreads. I literally just do it very, very quickly. And it doesn't bother me so much that these don't match the color-wise, because I'm not keeping these. I don't keep these. These just get thrown away. These just get thrown away. Again, these are old stickers, old printable stickers. I don't care about them being balanced or anything either. That can go in my you used this pile. So those are done. I don't need anything else more than that. So those are done. And then these, I'm going to use the rest of those washi tape things on. So we've got yellow and green. This is one other way that I like to do it, is I will literally just cordon it off pretty much like that. All right, that is 7 pages done. I like doing this as a way to use up my washi tape, to use up all the extra little bits of stickers that I have left over, because I tend to keep them in a sticker sheet thing. Like I can just use all of these. I can use the Dollar Tree stuff. I can use these, like when I've only got a few little pages, little bits left over. These make a great way to use them, especially for little to-do strips and stuff like that. Use them with your washi. It makes a great way to use all the little extra bits of stickers that you wouldn't normally use. So that is 7 daily pages done in my planner that I can just put in the front of my planner or in the week. And because that matches the color scheme, I'm going to go with this one. So I can just put that in my planner. I can put it in the cover. Like you can put it anywhere that you wanted to. And if you just wanted a little note sheet, you could just cut off the binding. You don't have to put it in your planner. So that is how I turn these sheets into daily skinny pages. Daily skinny pages. Very, very easy to do. And I get to use all of the stuff that has things down the spine and stuff like that. So yeah, I've got 7 pages there for this week to keep me on track. All right, I will do the vertical at some point, but that is, today's was the dashboard. I prefer the dashboard to the vertical just because it has this, which already makes sense to use that as a daily page. And you could even turn that around and use it this way as a daily page. Just saying, if you wanted to just use this one, super easy to just turn that around and use that as a daily page. But yes, these are very easy to use as daily pages. I prefer the skinny, that's just me. All right, I hope you enjoyed this. You got some tips out of it. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already. And I will see you next time, my planner pals. Bye.